Good afternoon. We are from 7th KOS. This is our project humidity to water conversion by using Peltier sensor. Myself Chaitrika.
Myself Satvika.
Myself Varsha. Today we are here to explain about humidity to water conversion by using Peltier sensor. So nowadays a lot of water is wasted due to domestic and household purposes, and the water is not only wasted due to domestic and household purposes, but it is also wasted by the releasing of garbage into the water by the factories. So we found a solution for that, that is humidity, which is present in our atmosphere. It will convert as a water which is used for daily purposes. Per 1 hour we can get 150 to 200 milliliters of water according to the humidity. If the humidity is more, we can get more water. So here we are using two main components, that are Peltier module and Peltier cooler. Peltier cooler is also known as cooling fan, which collects heat from the heat sink. Peltier module has two sides, one is cold side, one is hot side.
Peltier module is attached to the cooling fan, and cooling fan starts rotating in anti-clockwise direction. Humidity present in air is absorbed by the cold side of the Peltier module. It helps to decrease its temperature and form ice on the heatsink. This ice can be changed into water by the hot side of the Peltier module. By this we can collect the water from air. We can use this water for various purposes such as domestic and household, for example cleaning and washing. To drink this water we can purify and filter it so that the harmful substances present in this can be removed by the filtration process.
This model we can use in Chennai because it is very dry region, and the people who are living there, they are suffering with water shortage. If we use this model in that, they may get maximum of water for their daily survival, for their household and domestic uses.
There are chances to use this model in future and further generations. If we use this model in low humid regions, we can cause skin diseases. We should use this model in high humid regions such as coastal regions.
Thank you.
Thank you.